7th graders, welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 7 video. In this video, we're going to talk about discount. Our objective today is to be able to solve problems that involve discounts with 80% of our questions answered correctly. Now, you guys worked on this today in class, and you guys did awesome. So I'm really looking forward to you guys doing some more work tomorrow in the classroom on this stuff and doing really well. The standards we're going to be addressing, 7th grade, ratios and proportions, standard number 3, and 7th grade equivalent expression, standard number 3. We're going to look at one example, kind of like what we did today, and then we're going to look at another example that involves not only discount, but also a tax. So we're going to combine the previous lesson with this lesson. So 2 examples today for this video, and then you're done. So our first example, we get a brand new DVD that costs $22, and it's going to be discounted for 25% off. So we need to figure out what the sale price is. So as we did today in class, the first thing we do is we say that $22 equals 100% of the cost. Always start with the original amount and say it's 100%. Since it's a discount, we know we're actually going to subtract that percent from the actual price. So we're going to subtract or take away 25% because that's the discount. Well, if we have 100% and we take off 25%, we're actually only going to pay 75%, and that's our sales price. So 100% minus 25% is 75%. So we're going to pay 75% of $22. So what we need to do now is we need to take 75, divide it by 100, and that's going to change our percentage to a decimal, which is 0.75. Once we have that answer, we take that answer, 0.75, and we go ahead and multiply it by the sale price of 22. So 0.75 times 22 equals 16.5. And since we're talking about money, we need to put something behind the 5, which is a 0, which means that if a DVD costs $22 and we get 25% off, $16.50 is our sale price. This is how much it's actually going to be on sale for. That's how we do discounts. To do discounts, we do 100% of the price, we take away the discounted price, and this is actually the percent that we're going to pay of the original price. We take that percent as a decimal, times the price, get our answer. Let's do one more example, and you guys are already done. In our final example, example number 2, we're going to be solving a problem that involves a boogie board. So it says a boogie board has a regular price of $69. It's on sale for 35% off. What is the price, or is the sales price, with a 7% tax? So before we actually do the tax, we have to figure out what the new price is. So we actually have to find our discount. We're going to say that $69 represents 100%. We get 35% off, so we're going to subtract 35%. Well, 100 minus 35, that gives me 65%. Now, if I take 65 divided by 100, 65 divided by 100, I get 0.65. So this is actually the percentage we're going to pay as a decimal. We're going to pay 65%. As a decimal, we take this percent, multiply it by our price, which is $69. And the price of the boogie board, its sale price, is $44.85. So this is how much the boogie board costs when it's on sale. But now we have to add a tax to the sales price, because when we go to register, we're going to have to pay a tax. So we learned in the previous lesson how to do a tax. This is the amount we're going to use for our taxed amount, because this is how much we're actually being charged for the boogie board. So what we do is we say that $44.85 now represents the new 100%, because this is how much it's actually going to cost us. And we're going to add a 7% tax, so we're going to add 7%, because tax is added to the cost. Well, 100% plus 7% is 107%. So we're going to pay 107% of that sales tax, or the sale price. So we need to change that to a decimal. We're going to take 1.07 times 44.85. 1.07 times 44.85, and we get that the final price of this boogie board is $47.95. 9895. But we're talking about money. So when we talk about money, we have $47.98, but since that's a 9 following right behind it, that really means that we're going to really pay $47.99. So this is the actual price that they're going to charge us at the register with the sales tax. We found the discounted price. This is our discounted price, or its sale price. Once we have the sale price, we still have to pay the tax. So we still add the tax to our sales price, and we get the new total down there. That's what we pay at the register. That's it for today's lesson. Hopefully you guys feel pretty confident and you guys understand it. And if you don't, that's okay. We'll work together in class and try to solve these problems. You guys did awesome today. I look forward to some more tomorrow, and I will see you later. Happy Halloween, by the way.